Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's take a look at GBP JPY for this week. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please, guys, click on the subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. And if you are yet to follow me on Telegram, I will be putting a link to my Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section. So check the comment section. You'll see the link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram, then I'll be able to share some important information for you guys, and I'll be able to communicate with you guys better. So with this GBP USD, we can see, if you have to zoom it out clearly, this is an uptrend move, right? I mean, you can see price trading above your 10 period simple moving average, 20 period, same thing with the 50 period. I mean, same thing with the daily time frame, right? So we all know the rules of trading. Trade what we see and not what we think. And this is an uptrend move. And what we should be doing is looking for an opportunity to go long, looking for a setup to actually go long. And with this, what I'm seeing on this GBP, GBPJPY, I personally would wait for a correction to play out, then one more movement upward. So probably we have about one or two movements upward before we start seeing a fall on GBP JPY. Now let me actually zoom it out. So I want to mark out some levels. Let's see if we can spot out that levels here. So we all know that this is a trendy channel. So I'm just trying to make it quick, by the way. So let's see on this channel. So we can see something like this, right? So we can see that once price comes to this, we saw this price came to this, will I call it the resistance level. This will be the resistance level of this trend channel. Then we came to this support level, which broke below it a bit. Then it came to this resistance level. Then we saw it drop to the support level. Now this GBPJPY is moving closer to this resistance level on this trend channel, right? After that, what are you going to be expecting? Of course, you are going to be expecting a drop. That is one of the reasons why I said we have about one or two movements upward. It's either we have, a minor correction, then one more movement before we start seeing that fall on GBPJPY. So be very, very careful. It's either this week or next week we will be seeing a good amount of drop on GBPJPY. So I mean, if you are long on this, be having it in mind that there's going to be a drop, there's going to be a fall on GBPJPY. Probably once we make about 100 pips, let's say maybe we have actually have a let's see if we can make about 100, maybe 100 pips more movements before we start getting that drop. 100 or 200, maybe maximum of 200 pips. I can't really tell before we start seeing that drop. What I'm just trying to say is that there's a drop coming soon on GBP JPY. So be very, very careful, especially if you are still aiming to go long. So if you also take a look at this USD JPY, I've done analysis on USD JPY. Make sure you check my analysis in my channel. I've done analysis worksheets. I've explain it better what we will be expecting on USD JPY. Now with this one I'm saying, you can see on this USD JPY also, like I said, I'll be expecting price to come to this level before we expect a fall, right? And with this level movement to come to this level, that is about 150 pips. So I mean, this 150 pips, you can have it, we can expect that drop. So the same thing with GBP to JPY, we are expecting a little bit of a bullish move, right, before we get that drop. So probably maximum of 200 pips. I don't think GBP JPY will give us that 200 pips before it drops, but a big massive drop is going to be playing out soon. So you want to enter on that trade. So that is what I'm just trying to say. A bullish move, then we can now start expecting a fall on GBP JPY this week.